Alright everyone, today we have this unit from a vending machine. I believe it's from a Pepsi machine, and the problem here is that we need replacing a new compressor because it's pulling too much amps on the start relay. What we try to do, we replace the old start relay with a new one. It looks like it was burned out right here, but it didn't fix the issue, and so right now we need to replace this compressor right here. Always when I replace the compressor, I also replace the dryer right here, so those two things will be replaced. I'm going to look for a new compressor. This compressor looks like it's taking R12 refrigerant, and it's 1 horse and just a regular 110 volts, as you can see right there. On the back side you have the two fans. The two fans are cooling the compressor and as well as the the condenser system. On top you have the evaporator system, and just on the left side you have the cold control, which is your thermostat or cold control. Some people call it thermostat, some people call it cold control, depending on how you like it. Usually on up front you can pretty much control it. 7 is going to be your highest and coldest, and then 1 is going to be your lowest setting. This cold control will monitor the temperature from the evaporator coils. The evaporator coils are right there behind the thermostat. This is your capillary tube going all the way to the back and through your dryer right there. In order to get more information about this unit, you always have to look for a sticker. The sticker is at the back, and you can see the amount of voltages, the refrigerant that it uses, the R12, and also the amount that requires, so about 4 ounces. As I said, at the back you have the two fans to cool the system. The air will go this way through the compressor and then to your condenser unit. As I mentioned before, we tried to replace this. We also put the new 3-in-1 system. It didn't work out. I tested the amps on the compressor and it's pulling too many amps, I think 6 or 7 amps, so it tells me that the compressor is seized and needs to be replaced. So this is my video for today. If you have any questions, hit me up. Thank you for watching.